Hello everyone, have you ever wanted to fold an easy paper airplane that looks sleek and fly extremely far? If so, you come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to fold the Raven Fighter. This design is very easy to fold and it flies extremely far. And now, let's begin.
To get started, all you need is a single sheet of US letter size paper. The first step is to fold the paper in half lengthwise. As you fold, ensure all edges are perfectly aligned before firmly creasing the paper. Once finished, unfold it. Starting from the top edge, bring both corners into the center crease. Align the paper and crease this side first. Then repeat the same fold on the opposite side. From the tip, fold the paper straight down along that center crease. Curve the paper slightly first to ensure a clean fold, then press it flat. Now, set the crease. Starting from the tip again, fold it straight up to meet the top edge. Adjust the paper using the center crease as your reference point and then crease it down. Returning to the top edge, bring both corners into the center crease once more. Fold the first side, then the other. Double check that both sides are perfectly symmetrical. Adjust the paper as needed and press it down firmly. Now, let's open this layer. Starting from the corner, fold along the edge toward the crease you just created. Press the paper down and fold it back in again. Lift the paper slightly and lock it into place. Next, repeat this exact process on the other side. Start from the edge, fold it once, and then push it in a bit further. Lift the paper and lock it securely. Press the paper down and lay it flat on the table. Align the paper and, starting from the very bottom edge, fold both sides up toward the opposite corner. Let's finish this side first before repeating the fold on the other side. When you fold from the intersection to the corner, the layers will overlap slightly. This is exactly what we want. Crease the paper here, then tuck it neatly under the layer below. Now repeat this for the other side. From the intersection of the center crease and the edge, fold straight to the corner, press it down and tuck it under the layer. Now, flip the paper over. Starting from this side, hold it right about here, roughly 1.5 inches. Begin pressing the paper down from this side first. Crease along the edge, but first, let's measure about 2 inches at the bottom of the paper before pressing it flat. Once this side is complete, repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Hold both sides together, using one hand to align the paper, and then press it down. You've just finished one of the most technical steps of this build, but as you can see, it's quite manageable. With both sides pressed down, we are ready to form the wings. I'll place the paper back on the table and start from the upper tip, folding straight out to the bottom corner. I'll curve the paper slightly and press it down. Then, flip the plane over. I'll fold this side to perfectly match the first wing. Now, press it down firmly. The main body of our plane is now complete. Now, let's create the stabilizers. Gently pull this section of the paper up, hold it, and press it upward. It's a simple process. Just follow my lead. Hold it, push it up, and you'll have your stabilizers ready. You can adjust the stabilizers downward slightly. Try not to set them too high. The higher they are, the harder the plane is to control, so keep them at a moderate height. Finally, press the bottom of the paper to define the plane's fuselage. At this point, the plane is essentially finished. We'll just add small winglet stabilizers to help it fly even further. Finish the first side, then fold the other side down at the very tip of the wing. Curve it and press it down. Now your Raven fighter is complete. Next, let me show you the proper way to hold and launch it. Grip the plane right here for the throw. Before launching, ensure both sides are symmetrical and the stabilizers are standing straight up. And there you go, the finished Raven fighter. Now, let's look at the proper throwing technique. Hold it at the center of the plane where the weight is balanced and launch it at a 45-degree angle. You might want to try a 35-degree angle first. Once you're comfortable, you can throw it with much more power. I hope you all enjoyed building this paper airplane with me today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TriKdanG, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.